Welcome aboard Lamitsu, the 2015 Lagoon 39. We're taking her out for a sea trial. Beautiful day for it. She is an owner's version and she's upgraded to the max. Can't wait to show you. Welcome aboard Lamitsu. This holds a very special place in my heart. Ant and I were lucky enough to sail Lamitsu in Tahiti, French Polynesia, for our honeymoon back in 2018. So I have a lot of good memories on this boat. I can definitely recommend the comfort and the ease, the cruising, and it was just an idyllic time aboard her. We sailed from Papeete to Bora Bora over a period of 2 weeks, and we got to experience the 7 hues of blue of the French Polynesian waters and the wildlife and the culture, and it just so many beautiful memories that just remain forever in my heart. Let's take a tour on Lamitsu. Come check out all her points of differences compared to other Lagoon 39s on the market. Now walking into the cockpit, it's very easy to get around this boat, straight into the comfy corner lounge, nice open entertainment area, plenty of seating for family and friends. When I was sailing aboard Lamitsu, this was my favourite place to sit, whether I was reading a book, working on my computer, or having those afternoon cocktails. It's a pleasant place to be. At one point, they had up to 13 people just in this cockpit alone. This is another unique feature only Lamitsu has. It's a drop-down daybed, so if you're doing an overnight haul or passage, the skipper can lie here, the boat can be on automatic pilot, and if needed, you can just jump straight up and be at the helm. How convenient. Or if you just want a lazy day, laying in a sunbed, how practical is this? So Lamitsu comes with all these quality canvases that totally insulate and cover the cockpit, keeping all the elements out. They have beautiful clears that look like new. There's mesh also, so keeping the bugs out. And there's also a sunshade here that comes over the back and just blocks out that afternoon sun. And then also very quick access into the helm station. So the helm station, we have all the B&G, navigations and electronics, being able to see all 4 points of the boat. So when you're maneuvering, parking in and out of the marinas, and you're also in earshot of anyone who's on the ropes or helping to guide you. Lamitsu is set up for single-handed sailing. You have the electric winch here, and you can do everything with the sails and the mast from this position. So it makes it very safe and fun for the skipper that likes to sail alone. Lamitsu is definitely an all-round cruiser. You can take her anywhere and be comfortable in whatever situation. The advantages of her, though, are she is set up for long-range expeditions and blue water passages. She also has over the davits the 860 watts of solar, and the current owners say she's charged by lunchtime and they never run out of energy. So you can definitely take Lamitsu off-grid. So welcome into the galley. It's very spacious and open, very convenient to serve straight from the kitchen to the cockpit. One thing that Lamitsu has had updated is the fridge. So you have the double drawer option of fridge or freezer with either drawer. And there is also another fridge that originally came with Lamitsu, and it has a small freezer and very spacious for more food. Lamitsu comes with an endless stream of carbonated water. This inbuilt soda stream is connected to a gas bottle underneath, and with a water maker on board pumping 120 litres per hour, which is also connected to the 600 litre water tank. Being aboard Lamitsu again, it reminds me of the beautiful breezes that would come in the afternoon. You've got a view from every window. It's so airy, bright and light. Come on down to the owner's quarters. This is very sought after in lagoons and the production vessels. There's such a lovely big master. King size bed. So roomy. Then you've got a couch. We've got lots of storage. You even have a desk, which comes fitted out. And when you are seeking that solace or privacy, you have a privacy door, which just locks the rest of the boat off. So we have the head. We've got the separate electric toilet. We've got the big basin and the shower. So much room. It's big enough for an everything shower. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about? Come on down to the guest quarters. It's very spacious, a nice queen size bed. Storage under the bed. And for all you boat owners out there that have thought about or dreamed about having your own tool room or more storage and converting the forward cabin into that maintenance room, check this out. Because the current owners have taken Lamitsu on such long hauls, they have kitted out their own maintenance and storage rooms. So it comes equipped with tools, space to work on, beautiful Karri Wood from Western Australia, and lots of cupboard space. And this room is also set up should you have anyone else come and stay or any children. There is a single bed that can be made up. So the current owners have turned this guest bathroom and head into laundry as well. So the shower now contains a washing machine. However, that can be easily moved if you prefer to have the shower. So you have that opportunity for either or. It's modern, it's clean, it's fresh. A tender with the new Suzuki 15 horsepower 4-stroke motor. So it's really easy to lift up and place down into the water when you need to go to land. Lamitsu comes with 2 inboard Yanmar 40 horsepower. The regular Lagoon 39s come with 30 horsepower, but the original owner upgraded when built in factory to 40 horsepower. So it just gives you that little bit extra performance. Look how clean those bilges are. Both engines have an SD60 sail drive. The starboard engine has a newly installed SD60 as of 2024. Thanks so much for joining me on board Lamitsu. Now it's time for my sundowners, my cocktail, my strawberry, and sit back and reminisce my time in Tahiti. So good.